Creating a killer marketing strategy for your affiliate business. Welcome back, marketers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing and uncovering the secrets to creating a killer marketing strategy for your affiliate business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you succeed. So, let's jump right in. Picture this. You've got a fantastic product or service to promote, but without a solid marketing strategy, your efforts may go unnoticed. That's where a killer marketing strategy comes in. It's the backbone of your affiliate business, the driving force behind your success. But how do you create one? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Know your audience. The first step is understanding your audience inside out. Who are they? What are their needs, desires, and pain points? Conduct thorough market research and use analytics tools to gather insights. This will help you tailor your marketing messages and promotions to resonate with your target audience. Step 2. Set clear goals. Next, set clear goals for your affiliate business. What do you want to achieve? Is it increasing sales, growing your email list, or building brand awareness? Define your goals and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. This will give you direction and allow you to track your progress. Step 3. Choose the right channels. Now, it's time to select the right marketing channels. Consider where your audience hangs out online. Is it social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn? Or maybe it's through email marketing, content creation, or search engine optimization. Focus on the channels that align with your target audience and maximize your reach. Step 4. Craft compelling content. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts, ensure that your content is informative, entertaining, and tailored to your target audience's interests. Step 5. Build strong relationships. Affiliate marketing is all about building relationships. Collaborate with influencers, bloggers, and other content creators in your niche. Establish genuine connections, offer support, and provide value to them. The stronger your network, the more opportunities for promotion and growth. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to create a killer marketing strategy for your affiliate business. Remember to know your audience, set clear goals, choose the right channels, craft compelling content, and build strong relationships. Stay consistent, adapt to changes, and never stop learning. With the right strategy, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, your affiliate business will thrive. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, keep marketing and keep growing. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Tell us about your killer marketing strategies in the comments.